Well, g'day everyone. Welcome back to episode 2 of the VW T1 camper, gifted to me by Ozscale Modeler, Peter Holroyd. Let's get the introduction done and get into it. Alrighty, so we have completed part 1. So I'll give that a bit of a tick. Won't because I don't have the pen that works. I'll give it a bit of a tick. But I've done it. Part 2 is just making the tyres and the wheels. I'm not really going to do that right now. But what I might actually do is do part 3 and part 4. This will be the last bit of building I do until I get my shoulder fixed. I actually look quite big in this shirt. Sorry. Until I get this shoulder fixed, I'll probably only do part 3 and part 4. Yeah, that's probably all I'll do. So, let me move over to the model bench and we'll get stuck into it. Alright, so here we are. So we have part E107, we have part B106, and we have part A108. Alright, so that's all the parts. So we'll put these together. So this part goes like that, so on top of there, and then this part goes into the back here, like so. So what we'll do, we'll put all these together and I'll come back and show you once they're done. Alrighty, so welcome back yet again. I've just completed part 3. It's just over in my little spray booth, which was my birthday cake box. Just waiting for that to dry, and I'll show you that in a minute, or what soon. So I'm going to crack on with part 4, which is battery and connecting the engine to the back part of the chassis. So this has 4 colours, so M, B, E and H. So that will be a dark grey with a clear gloss. So I'm just going to do a dark grey because I don't know how to do a clear gloss. B is again the black matte. E and H. So E is iron metallic and H is a white gloss. So I believe I might have something to do with an iron, but I'll have to have a look. So I'll get these out and come back. So welcome back. So here we have the H11. So this has got a copyright of 2000. So it's a VW Sambu bus. So that's H11. We've got B10 and B11, B12, which is a little battery. So obviously this part goes in like so. Then we get engine connects to that part, and then the battery goes there. So this is how this will look once it's all done. There we go. That's how it's look once it's all done. So we're a bit high. Oh, the battery's just moved. The battery also goes down there like that. So yeah, so give all these a prime. Obviously not this, because that's already been done. But give all these a prime. And so prime, bottom, prime the whole thing, stuff it. So be back when I'm back. G'day everyone, welcome back. Finished the back part, so the engine and everything. Looks great. The Revell decals, stickers are bloody amazing. They just add so much to the actual end product. It's really, really clever. I love them. So there you go. That's the oops. So that's the because it's not going to focus. The engine and the battery. You can see the little decal on the battery there. So I'll now mark that off. So that's been completed. Booyashaka. So now I'll look at, so I can't do part 5 just yet. So I'll have a look at part 6. And then that would be it, I'd say, because I have to get ready to go back to work in a couple of days. So let's get all the details for part 6. So you're looking at this part here. So it's looking like it's putting in sump and everything, so fair bit of painting to do. And I've actually done all the bottom of this, I've primed it all. So that part will go there. So that's it, this bit here. That bit there. So we'll get into that and I'll come back once I've got all the bits ready.